Okay, so this is actually one of our first proper experiences using a lab microphone. Normally we use a shotgun microphone, so it's our first time properly using it and seeing what it's like.
So while we're waiting for our coffees, let's talk a bit more about these wireless microphones. So you get a receiver, and then you get the actual input, which has a clip on the back. You got the wire in, so this is a lab mic, and it's connected to my shirt, as you can see. We have got the indicators on this side. On the other side, there's a switch to stop and start recording. You also got the micro SD card slot and the USB Type-C slot to charge up the actual device. So we thought it's a sunny day, so let's grab a nice coffee. Something you definitely should have on a nice sunny day. So, as you can see, I'm done with my coffee now. Let's go to somewhere a bit noisier and see how this microphone will perform. So we're in sunny California. No, I'm just joking. We're in WE10 Studios in Milton Keynes, but we could be anywhere today. It's actually quite nice and sunny, so let's go exploring, Jack, and see what we can record and where we can take this awesome microphone. So I just had a good thought. This microphone is perfect for the interview style. So, Cal, what do you think?
Wait a minute, what are you doing? I thought you interviewed me.
Oh, sorry, Jack. I thought the Cal would have some more interesting things to say about this microphone, but I suppose I can interview you. Jack, what do you think of this microphone?
I'm going.
I'm sorry.
Try again. So, yeah, I actually think it's pretty good. There's quite a lot of echo here, and I guess hopefully that sounds okay. One thing we have noticed is the closer you are, the kind of more muffly it sounds. So you need to get the right amount of distance. And one of the downsides is you have to keep tweaking the settings, because sometimes they just change when you're not realizing, and the last thing you want to do is get back and edit and you see the audio just doesn't sound great at all. So I guess a bit of advice, always check the audio settings before you start filming. Okay, so I'm actually at the moment riding and holding the camera at the same time, which is actually really difficult to do. So hopefully the audio sounds okay. But again, I guess we'll see in post.
Okay, so now I'm near a busy road. We're going to see how this microphone's performing with a busy road, and someone's doing a spin out, so we're going to see how that turns out on the footage. Let's have a look. Very noisy.
So one of the questions you may be asking is this microphone worth it? And I guess it depends on the kind of person you are in terms of filming. If you need a lab microphone when you are doing things like interviews, it could be a good option for you. But if you're kind of out vlogging or something like that, then you might not need it if a shotgun microphone works for you. But overall, I really enjoyed it. The good things is that it works well and the audio sounds quite good. And one of the downsides is you have to tweak the settings quite a lot. So if you're not comfortable doing that, then maybe this isn't the microphone for you.
Yes, there's initial setup with these microphones, but if you set it up right, the audio will sound really crisp and clear. As you could see from the interview situation, I was really impressed at how the microphone performed in that kind of scenario.
So if you enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel, and if you're new to Tech Fusions, feel free to hit that subscribe button.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more video created by myself and Jack, you can also donate and buy us a coffee from our coffee link in the description down below. So that will help us fuel this video and also get these awesome products to test out for you guys.
Or if you just want to say hi, drop something in the comments down below. That is just as much appreciated.
This has been Sam
and Jack from Tech Fusions. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next Tech Fusions video.
Okay, so you haven't said much so far, Cal, so what do you think of these microphones? Nothing? Okay, no worries.